Good afternoon, children. Let's wait for 2 more minutes. Very good afternoon, children. And altogether, there are 46 of them. And Abbas, yes, Abbas. That is by because the few videos has been started to upload in the YouTube and with I have sent a link. It's in the portal. That is like yesterday's and day for yesterday's. It will be done by today. I hope. Okay, Abbas, you have any doubt? You can approach me. Fine. And very good afternoon, everyone. Okay, you have my number. I hope so that you can contact me. I'll be explaining you if you want. Fine. And children, what did we see in the last class? What did we see in the last class? What did we see in the last class? Anyone? Yes, come on, children. BG color till headings in HTML. Good. Fine. How many headings are there? How many headings are there? I just want to know how many headings are there. There are 6 headings. Very good. Super. Now, yesterday I said today I'll be teaching you the documentation, how the documentation to be done. I want to write. I told I'll be writing it on the board. Yes, right? Yes. And now I have written. I have written this half. I'll show you. Now, we're going to start it with HTML. Right? Yes, I hope you can see HTML. As usual, I said you before. The whatever it may be the documentation in HTML. Everything starts with your HTML head title. Here in the title we are giving the title as headings in HTML and we are closing the title over here and then we are closing the head of body. Then inside the body, we want to write all the 6 types because we want to know how the six headings, how will it will be displaying on the screen. We want to know. For that, what we are going to type all the 3. Okay, you can just because here the H1 that is level 1 have just given. If you give just only level 1 where it will be displayed. Now the second here the H2 where I want to align, I am aligning it in the center so that this level 2 heading will be in the center of your web page. Then level 3 it will be in the same side. Okay, it will be towards the left side. Okay, left side of your web page. Now we are going to go for H4, that is for level 4. Heading 4 we are going to give. I'll write it down on the board. Before then I need you all to copy this. Meanwhile I'll write it. Okay, clear? Clear children? Yes. In H4 I'll write it in the right. Fine? Because we want to use this slash is very important. Okay, children, we are closing. When you close your tags, that is opening tag and the closing tag is very important. Got it? Fine. After this writing all these headings, what will happen? Your body tag, close your body. Then close your HTML. Then you are closing your HTML. Suman, here the net is proper because in the morning we had some issues with the network. Here it's everything is going on fine. Children, for any other people, is my audio and video is pausing? Clear. Okay. This is Suman, for you. It's clear. It's a problem. Suman, you go out and come in one more time. Let's see. If you're using your mobile phone, no, just put it in a flight mode for a minute and then you come back. Let's see. Yes, Satish, you can do this program. And Sandhanam, don't on your video. Yes, you should do this in Notepad. Now you make a note in your computer note or you have your rough note, right? There, please make a note of this program. Okay? And meanwhile, I'll show you how the output will be appearing in your web page. Here I have given everything in a small letter. So here also it will be in small letter. segment of space across this thing will be here. And it will be on here. Then there one from 9 where you will be getting. Okay. Now let's come to this heading. Because here we have given H1 as your heading. That will be too big. H2, we are asked in center, level 2 heading. Third one, you didn't give any specification, so that it will be over here in this corner. It will be a little bit smaller than this. Then, level 4, you are asked it in the right side. So that will be here. Level 5, you are didn't tell anything, so that will be here. And for the sixth one, we are asking the center and the thing will be very small. Level 6. The size will be too small. Okay? Children, you understood the difference? Board is not visible. Now, is it visible? Dushant, is it visible? Done, children? You have completed. Okay. Please make a note of it. HTML, with this your program gets over and this is the output. Completed. Good, Naresh. Yes, you can use top also. But why you are not using top means because over here, as we see that is in level 1 heading, this is the will be in the top only. If you use now simply level 4, you should, if you want it to be top, it will be the top of this corner. Which side it will be the corner piece. Got it? Okay, Chitra, just share your output. Let me check. Share output. Children, be quick, children. Yes, you can change it. Because why I have given the headings in HTML means here we are going to do about the HTML, that is headings. That's the reason I have given. If you want, you can change it. But keep your title name very reasonable. Because regarding what, now if you are writing an essay means that essay, if you are giving a title, that name should be regarding that. For example, if you are learning the first flight means you are learning about the seagulls in English. Got it? For that, what you are writing the first flight. First flight means like how that seagull, how it started his first flight, about that. Like that, it should be reasonable. Okay? Titesh, what is this? This is not the output. So get me the output. That is, you share your page. Output is like that, but way how it is appearing, I wanted to see. Children, if anyone have done in your computer means you can share your screen. So that let me check and I can tell you. Like yesterday. Okay, fine. Up to this, everyone have understood. Are you all clear? Are you all clear? So that I can move to the next topic. For what, Jitesh, you need permission? For what you need permission? Okay, you can share screen. Otherwise, you can send me through WhatsApp also. Fine. I hope you all are clear with this, right? Now, the next topic. Should I erase it? Shall I erase it completed? Abba, Sita, Thema, Frame. Have you all completed? Okay. Vanslin, good. Everyone have completed. Fine. Next topic is text formatting. Yeah, text formatting. Here we are going to use two things. That is, one is P and other one is BR. Here, in this text formatting, like what is P by P? P stands for paragraph. P stands for paragraph. P stands for paragraph. BR stands for break the line. We should break the line. If it is in a straight line, what we will do? If you want to break it, we can break it. For together, for both, that is for paragraph and for BR, I'm going to combine. I'll give you a program. Okay, I'll combine and let me give you a program. Okay, children? Break, B-R-E-A-K, yes, breaker line. BR means breaker line. I said you when I was teaching about empty elements, right? Yes? Here, like text with P and BR, okay? I'll just give text with break. Because BR means it is break. Got it? P means paragraph. BR means break. Text with break. Got it? And here I'm going to give you a few text over here. Now, for example, like hello world or welcome. Welcome to my page. Now here you are going to do a paragraph. I am I am ABC student of Sunbeam, student of Sunbeam. Then next we are going to do a BR. Here after this you want it in the next line, but you are writing it in a paragraph. Study. Can you see? Study in next and this. Then I am yellow. I am from yellow. Got it? And I am closing your P over here. Right? And then again I want to in a paragraph. Okay. I am I am I am good at I'm good at sports. I'm good at sports, and then you're closing your paragraph. And then you're closing your paragraph. Then simultaneously close the body, and then you're HTML. You close your body and HTML. Here, what happens? Have you all written? Sorry. Thank you. Abbas. No, break I said you should not close break because it is a empty tag. It has only the opening and we don't have the closing tag. Got it? Abbas, you didn't give like center all those stuffs? Abbas. You have given only in the same way. You didn't give in the different like center, right, all those stuffs you have not used. No, unless if you give, it won't be displaying. You didn't give. Check your program. Show me a program. No, you show me a program. Some mistake you will be doing. That's the reason why it's not appearing. Kanishka is done. Okay. Yes, good Kanishka. Good. Only two of them have shared. Abbas, if you show me your program, I'll tell you. Hey, you didn't close your H. Align spelling is wrong. A-L-I-G-N. It's not double L. And change the spelling. Only then it will execute. How to see the output? Go to the search when you open your. If the spelling is wrong, or if you have leaving more space, that means it won't be. It is not only. It is just a case. It is not a case sensitive data, but the space and all those things it will be checking. Fine. Okay. Now you write this program. Yesterday you showed no Chitesh, same like that. You will be having the option to share. With that you can share. Good. Good Abbas. See, one spelling that is A-L-L you have just given. If you have just cut it down, your thing is coming it correct. Yes, good. Good. Fine. These are the small mistakes we can be finding it in your HTML because it is not a case sensitive. Apart, even though it is not a case sensitive, what happens over here means like when you leave extra space or if your spelling is wrong, that is because I don't know. Whatever you type inside, no, it will be appearing. The thing, if you don't know that it should be like left or right, a line is wrong, the spelling is wrong, it won't be doing it. It won't be appearing. Okay. No, it's not a case sensitive. It can be anything. It can be either capital P or small p. It's not an issue. Got it? And I'll show you how the output will be. What? No, it is not necessary that BR and P should be only in capital. It can be either in capital or in small. Okay? Just to show you, to identify, to make you to understand, I have just written like this. Got it? Because children here this year asking why only one PR, no closing tag for PR, because it will be self-closing. It is just to break the line. We are not going to close it, it will be self-closing. Got it? And the output. Next word, break. Here the file and all the things here. File, date, view, history, others. Also here also that same things will be. Yeah, everything will be done after this. Clear? Right. Then, like I said, how it will be appearing. This because here I didn't know what type it should be, so that it will be appearing in the same way. Hello world. Welcome to one page. Okay, here next is in the paragraph, but you are writing it in the next line. If I'll tell you, if this is without break means here this break is not there. Means what will happen if the break is not there means 1 minute I'll just tell you the differentiation, then I'll show you. If the break is not there, if the break is not there means here the output will be like I am ABC studying that is student of Sunbeam studying in 10th standard, studying in 10th standard. I am from Vellore. The next line will be like I am good at sports. I am good at sports. If you are not using BR over here means, okay, if you are not using it, you are using only the paragraph means here the output will be displaying in this format. 1 minute Kanishka, I'll just check yours. It will be displaying it in this format. Clear? If you are not in this format. Now, if you are using break over here, if you use break over here, what happens? This is a separate line. Okay. Then studying in 10th standard, then I am from Vellore. I am from Vellore. Then I am good in sports. I am good at sports. Okay, the output. This will be the output. Clear? Wait, Suteshna, let me see. Yes, good, Sitesh. Good, Ra. Kanishka is done, right? Good, Kanishka. Good. Have you given text with break? Okay. Kanishka, can you share me your that is documentation? Kanishka, share me your documentation because inside the paragraph I didn't give text with break. No, just show me your documentation. How you have typed it? Let me check. Okay, you need my email ID. It is Nikita Rajan 92 at gmail.com. I have sent for everyone. You can see it. Nikita Rajan 92. You can share. You can share it. There will be the option. You can share it, Prema. Otherwise, take a screenshot and send it to me. You can share it. Otherwise, you can take a screenshot and send it to my WhatsApp or over here in the class or to my mail ID with your name. With your name and class section, if you send it to me, it will be so that if there is anything like what program have you done, just show me that, and with that and even with the output, if you show it will be good. And I asked Kanishka to show your yes, Kanishka. Kanishka, the space between the title should be a little more closer because it is coming under your body. You can check yours. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, check yours. Emlata, you're of which class? 9D, okay. You need my number. Okay, for everyone I have sent my number. If you want, you can send to me through your WhatsApp. Through WhatsApp, you can send to me. Clear with this text formatting? Have you done it? Okay, you can note down and you can just let me know. Everyone have copied the program with the output? Completed everyone? Siddharth, Abbas, Alex, Arvind, Arko. Is Bhagavati Vail is in the class? And girls of 9A, many are not attending, and 9A boys are not attending. Like D class, few are not attending. Like children here in your batch 3, like batch 1 and 3, like your like C and D are combined, right? You have been split, correct? Someone is from C class. Dhanushri. Okay. Fine children, are you all clear up to this? And today we saw how the headings work. We saw only like three topics, like how it works. That is like H1 to H6. Okay, Dushant, I'll check my mail afterwards. We have saw how it works. That is by using like H1 to H6 and all those stuffs. And then we are coming with text formatting using P and BR. With a P, if you use only P without BR means it will be like a paragraph. We are using only BR, that is a break means like as I have written the output, it will be, the lines will be breaking. The lines will be breaking. Got it? Yes? That is all the things which we have seen in this class. Is there any doubt in it? Is there any doubt? So that let's clear it. Are you all clear, children? Gokul, Nitya Kumar, Hariharan, Suman, are you all clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ruben, are you clear? Ruben of 9A, are you cleared up? Bhagavadivel, are you clear, Bhagavadivel? Sweta, are you all clear, children? Hema, are you clear? Bhupati, Bhumika, Kanishka, Chitesh, are you all clear? Okay, good. And next we have like align, how we will be aligning the paragraph. Next, like tomorrow's class will be seeing about aligning the paragraph. I'll just give you a small introduction. That is, this is also a container element. This aligning alignment, that is the aligning your paragraph, is also a container element. And here we are using, it is used for defining a paragraph of text. Here we used to define the paragraph, how it will be in the bunch. That is like this. It will be, that is, we used to tell how it will be working. Then the attributes, here you are using the one main attribute, that is to align it, and the contents. What does it contains mean? It contains the text. And what is used inside this means block is used. Block is used. This align attribute, it does not support to HTML file. HTML file does not accept this align attribute. Okay, fine. This does not HTML5 does not support this align attribute. And tomorrow let's go with the program and with the center. Then we have like base font and font, how we are using it, all those steps. Let's see in the tomorrow's class. There are in upcoming classes. Okay, fine. Yes. Yes. I hope everyone have understood today's class, and thank you all. Have a great evening and keep yourself safe. Okay, wait, Baz, let me check. Good, Abbas. Good. Thank you. Have a nice evening. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you. Good, Abbas. Children who are not participating, please do participate. Please do write your documentation and send it to me. Okay, only then you will be familiar, because here we are not using our lab or anything. You should be very familiar with this. Got it? Thank you all.